Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw an hourglass. Let's start off by drawing a long line that curves to the right, makes a sharp turn back to the left, and down, straightening up at the bottom. Then, mirror that on the other side. On top, connect the ends of the long curved line going across, with two short lines going up from either side, and another curved line across the top of those. Then, mirror that on the bottom as well to finish off the hourglass shape. For the frame around the hourglass, start by drawing two small bumps in the upper left corner, and two bumps facing the other way. Under those, draw some lines coming down with one bump at the bottom. Then, a shorter line with another bump at the bottom. And finally, another long line coming down with two bumps at the bottom. Mirror that on the other side of the hourglass. Around the top, draw a long line that wraps around the bumps, goes along the top of the hourglass, and wraps around these bumps here. And give that some thickness with a line going up from the corner, following along the top, and coming back down at this corner here. Mirror those underneath. To add some more detail, draw some thin horizontal lines across the bumps like so. And for the sand, start with a curved teardrop shape up here, then some lines along the curves of the hourglass that meet at a tip here. In the bottom half, draw a line angling down from the middle to the side, coming down and along the bottom. Then, down from the tip to the other side, and down the side to this end here. Add a short wavy line across here, and some groups of dots here and there for the sand texture. To make the glass look shiny, add a tall oval and a small oval here and here. And lastly, draw some really small dots falling down the middle of the hourglass like so. And now you've got an hourglass. Let us know in the comments what you think you should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.